Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will discuss about the present perfect simple and continuous tenses, present perfect versus past also. So this slides represents the present perfect. Yesterday, this is example I am talking about the example. Yesterday I lost my key. This is a present perfect. Yesterday I lost my key. I don't have a key now. I have lost my key. This is another example. He went out 5 minutes ago. He is not here now. He has gone out. These are tenses. In this we can say that yesterday I lost my key. We can also translate into in Urdu that yesterday I lost my key. कल मेरी की गुम गई थी. भी हम कह सकते हैं आई डोंट हैव अ की नाउ. अब मेरे पास की नहीं है. आई हैव लॉस्ट माई की. मैं अपनी की खो चुका हूँ. सो दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस and this is the negative example of present perfect tense, and this is also we can say yesterday I lost my key. This is the we can use it in past also. Example 2, he went out. वो गया 5 minutes ago. वो 5 मिनट पहले चला गया. This is the example of simple past. He is not here now. वो अब यहाँ नहीं है. This is a simple tense. And he has gone out. This is a present perfect tense. Why it is a perfect? Because we are using has and have and a third form. We can also define that if we talk about the present perfect, the use of has, have plus third form. Use of has and have plus third form. You can see here that he has. This is the use of has. And a gone, go, went, gone. So third form of go. So this is the present perfect tense. There are other examples also the present perfect. I saw a good film last night. I still have to think about it. I have seen a good film. She told me her name. I can't remember it now. I have forgotten her name. Basically, the examples in which we are using have and a third form, like this: I have seen, I have forgotten. These are the example of present perfect. Present perfect. The present perfect. These are symbols. We can see. I have, we have, they have. These are example, and we can also contract these words in a modern English language. We can write as I have, his. These are contraction. These are called contraction. I have finished, I have lost, I have got, I have walked, I have talked. These are different examples of present perfect tense. The present perfect just, use of just, a short time ago. The meaning of just is a short time ago. Are you hungry? No, I have just eaten. जी मैं भूखा नहीं हूँ, मैंने अभी खाया है. Hello, have you just arrived? क्या आप अभी पहुँचे हैं? Is Paul is the name of a foreign person. Is Paul here? क्या Paul यहाँ है? No, he is just gone out. And this is, I have already told you that it's a contraction. Use of contraction. Already. The use of already means sooner than expected. Sooner, which has already done, but sooner. We can't say that I have. It's a contraction. I've already paid all the bills. When is Paul leaving? He is already left. We've already done our homework. हम अपना काम पहले ही मुकम्मल कर चुके हैं. So the use of yet, the meaning of yet is until now. अब तक. Has it stopped raining yet? क्या अभी तक बारिश जो है ना होना बंद हो चुकी है। आई हैवेंट सेंट द लेटर येट, मैंने अभी तक खत को नहीं भेजा। इज पॉल बैक? नो, he hasn't returned yet, he hasn't returned yet। क्या पॉल वापस आ चुका है? नो, अभी तक वो वापस नहीं आया। So have you ever, so use of have you ever, yes I have, no I never। This slide represent the use of have you ever। I am trying to actually make you familiar with the different types of phrases। So the purpose is only that you should aware of the use of different phrases। Have you ever? Yes I have। Has an ever been to Australia? And it's a name, and maybe it's a name of male female। Has an ever been to Australia? क्या an कभी ऑस्ट्रेलिया गया? Yes, once, एक दफ़ा। Have you ever played golf? क्या आपने कभी गोल्फ खेली? Yes, golf is the name of game। I have never ridden a bike in my life, मैंने अपनी ज़िंदगी में कभी भी बाइक नहीं चलाई। So the present perfect, how long have you? The use of how long have you? Dan and Kat are married, they have been married for 5 years। So the use of have been, the rule is that we will use have plus been and a third form। A third form, it is a present perfect, but you can also say that it's a present perfect in continuous form, in a continuous form। This is not a past perfect continuous tense, because in past perfect continuous tense we will use had instead of has or have। There is only a single difference between the present perfect continuous tense and a past perfect continuous tense, which is the use of has and had, has, have and had। We will talk about the present continuous perfect continuous tense, then we will use has and have plus third form। And if we are talking about the past perfect continuous tense, then we will use had। I know Lisa, I know her since 2003। And you can ask, if you wanna represent about the years, then you will use for। And if you wanna express about the years like 2002, 2001, 1990, 16, so it will use as a since। They have been married for 5 years, for it's a years, and there is a year in a numbers। So I have known her since 2003। Since it's a starting point, because 2003 it's a starting point, so from the starting, with the starting point we will put the word since। Present perfect or past, I have already told you that he has lost it, it's a present perfect because it's a use of has and third form। Now Tom has found his key, Tom lost his key, he has found his key। So all these are all examples of present perfect, not a past। Present perfect, now it's a past simple। This slide will represent the past simple। Past simple, it's a very simple tense, we just use was and were। We can also say that we use a second form, like he writes, it is a simple present tense, but if we write he wrote, then it will be a simple past tense। And if we want present, and if we want to talk about the past continuous, then definitely we will use was and were। He was, you were, plus ing, plus addition of ing with the first form, like he was eating, you were eating, you were learning, he was learning। So these are examples of different past tenses। This is a past simple, and this This is a past perfect. He has repaired. This is not a use of had. If there will be a past perfect, then there will be a had. If there is a present perfect, so we will use has repaired. Has and have. He has, they have. If we talk about that, there are so many people doing something that they have eating. So we will use have, not has. If we talk about the use of he and she and it, then it will use has. Present perfect and past simple. I have told that we went to the cinema yesterday. This is the example we went. It is the second form. And in this, have you seen time recently? It is a perfect. Have you seen time recently? But it is a not past. This is the past, but this is the actually these slides are the comparison between different tenses. Please don't confuse that these slides are only it's a comparison between the simple present tense, simple past tense, and present continuous tense, past continuous tense. These are comparison to know you better, think in a good manner. Okay, inshallah, in the next lecture we will talk about the other types of tenses. Thank you.